Oh, yo, what is going on, guys? How are you? Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can get infinite coins in Pokemon Go. So, if you're like me, you've really never stopped playing Pokemon Go. You've been playing Pokemon Go for a hot minute. Or maybe, just maybe you're new to the game. That's dope. That's awesome, guys. But for whatever reason, you guys have run out of coins to get your incubators, to get your eggs, to get whatever you may need, your Pokeballs, your potions, whatever. And you really don't want to pay money. You don't want to pay money to play a game. And I totally get that, guys. Pokemon Go Plus Plus is an app that I found that is the solution to all of our problems, guys. Essentially, it allows you to get infinite coins for free, wherever you are, no matter what you're doing, infinite coins in Pokemon Go, guys. So, without further ado, I'll stop my babbling, start my yibbing and yabbing, and let me show you exactly how it's done. Okay, guys. So we got Pokemon Go Plus Plus downloaded here on my iPhone device right now, guys. The coolest part is that this works on iPhone. A lot of these generators and all this kind of stuff don't work on iPhone, but this one does, which is really, really cool. So, let me show you guys exactly how it works, how you use it. Let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, we just got our normal like pay plus plus thing right here, and we got our shop plus plus. We can get our lucky eggs, which guys, lucky eggs are freaking the best. And our 200 Pokeballs or whatever we may need. Oh, we ain't got no coins until what? Huh? What? Yeah, that's right, guys. If you just click right here, kind of in between here, right there, there's a little plus button that you can't really see on the camera. But look at that. I mean, 3,200 coins right there. 3,200 coins, guys, for free. Something that usually costs quite a bit of freaking cheddar is now in my bank account completely for free, guys. You ain't even gotta ask. So no worries about that, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and open up our settings app, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this works. So the two apps that you're going to need are going to be your settings app and your Safari app. It doesn't necessarily have to be your Safari app. It can be any internet browser. It doesn't have to be Safari. It's just the normal OS that comes with my actual device. So no worries on that one, guys. But let's go ahead and open up our settings app where we're going to go to the battery section. Okay? Boom. Oh, not our exposure notifications. I don't even know what that is. Our battery section, where we should find low power mode at the very top of that, guys, and make sure that that's turned off. If your low power mode's turned on, gonna slow down your phone, gonna be no fun with slow down phone. And guys, you really just don't want to slow down phone for this download. This download is intense. This download can sometimes even make your phone heat up a little bit. But that's totally okay, guys. It's normal functions for a phone. But if it's on low power mode, it's gonna be too much. Download's not gonna work, gonna suck, gonna be a bad time, everyone is going to hate you. So what you're gonna go ahead and do after that is hop into general and go over to background app refresh. So go ahead and open up background app refresh where we should see background app refresh is turned on. But if it's not and you see background app refresh is turned off, go ahead and click that right there and hit this Wi-Fi and cellular data or the Wi-Fi option right here. I'm going to go ahead and go with Wi-Fi and cellular data. That's the one I'm familiar with. That's the one I traditionally use. So that's the one I'm going to use. After that, guys, we should be done with our settings app. And we can go ahead and open up our Safari app where we can search up on this store right here, WeTweak.co, WeTweak.co is the name of this website, and it's essentially like a hacked app store. But one of the things that we can do in this hacked app store, guys, is we can actually download the app that we need. So we can go ahead and download our Pokemon Go Plus Plus completely for free. So yeah, it's just the normal Yulu store right here. I did actually just search it up. I was trying to find it, but I couldn't find it. So just search it up, Pokemon Go Plus Plus. Hit that install button right there, guys. And what this is doing is downloading something called a configuration profile. Essentially, that is Apple's word for a hacked app. You can't just call it a hacked app on the App Store, and you can't sell the same hacked apps on the App Store, guys, because then Pokemon Go would get mad because they're losing money. But guys, that's okay. No worries. This can be downloaded straight through WeTweak.co. And what this is doing should pop up a little notification asking us if we know there's a configuration profile, if we want to allow the configuration profile. Should pop up with a little notification right about now. Boom. Okay, great. Go ahead and hit that allow, hit that close button right there because that profile is downloaded, and then we will go ahead and go into our settings, guys, where we should go down to VPN in device management. Under our downloaded profiles, you should see Pokemon Go Plus Plus. Hit install in the top right, and type in your phone's unlock password. Just the normal password you use to unlock your phone. hit next, and then install. I'm going to show you one more time, guys. Type in that phone password, next, and then install. Phone password, next, and then install. All right, and now it should be good to go. It's going to make me do it one more time probably for some reason. It should never have to ask you to do this more than like 2 times max. But there we go. It should be ready to go on your iPhone, Android device, whatever it needs to be after that. Pokemon Go++, infinite coins for free, y'all. No worries. Have a good day.